Are you ready? All right, folks, so we just arrived in Shenzhen, China. This is right outside of Macau, I guess. It's funny when you're reading things, you say it differently than when you're actually saying it. But we're gonna check in and we're gonna see. This was about a 2-hour cab ride from our previous location in China. And the Hilton here is really beautiful. So I'm gonna let Amy check us in and I'm gonna show you around the lobby. Ooh, my passport, of course.
Check-in?
Yep.
Check-in,
Okay. So this is the check-in process. He's gonna help with the luggage. Very nice. It looks like we've got this figured out. Thank you. So I'm very curious to see what's going on here.
What's your name, reservation?
Okay, so I'm gonna step away. So cool thing is, China doesn't require me to carry a wallet. I have to have a passport and my phone, but all transactions are done over the phone, even small-time vendors and stuff. All electric. Now something I'll note is how much growth there is here. When we drove here, it was really impressive to see how, I think she thought I was talking to her, how many cranes and things were just building the skies. And you see the skyline behind us. It's just a small portion of it. Way bigger. Lots of stuff going on. So this is a cool bar. I'm just getting here, so it's new to me. You get raspberry meringue. Lots of snacks here at this bar. Fruit Danish. 30. I think it's 7 to 1. This is like $4 for a matcha Danish roll. About $3 for one of these things of miscellaneous bread. $2 for one of these muffins, etc. Down low, ooh, it's $10 for a cheese tart. So we'll note the Hilton prices are a little, about double that of a normal city here in China, I would say. See if Amy needs me. It's a big lobby here at the Hilton. This isn't a Hilton Garden Inn for sure. Very curious to see what this room looks like. One guy just swimming in the pool. Like he's got his own lifeguard. One guy and a lifeguard. Yeah, like I said, lots of buildings being built. You can see one back there. But just like unlimited amount of cranes that we passed getting here. Pretty. We'll look back at Amy, see if she needs me. Looks like we're okay. We're gonna check in with her in a second again. And let's see more of the lobby. Lobby bar, very nice. This is a big lobby. Like I could get lost in here. Wine. So stay with me, very cool, I like it. And more pools. Got some dirty looks over there. Like those Chinese gamblers were not excited about me filming, so I'm gonna walk this way. But look at this lobby. Look at the floors. Do you see floors like this everywhere? Look at the bar itself. One piece of stone. Are you kidding me? A pizza stone. All right, better check in with Amy. She's pretty good about stuff. She booked this hotel for us. Picked it out because she really liked the view. And I think it was under $200 a night. So by American standards for a hotel of this quality, I would think this would be $500 to $1,000 a night. All right, I'm gonna check in on her. You can see if she needed me for anything. Amy, is everything coming okay? Checking in?
Yeah, we've got an executive balcony. We've got access to all of these things.
Breakfast, afternoon tea, and happy hour, all included. That's the executive room benefits. I like it. All right. Take a picture with the hat. stay at the Hilton. I gotta translate whatever this is because that seems pretty cool. And you're supposed to take a picture with the hat, post it on your social media. So I was afraid that I wouldn't be allowed to use social media here in China. But as it turns out, with an American cell phone, they let you use it. So my peers and friends and colleagues from China can't access American social media, but I can. Fun, right? Elevator bank. And it looks like maybe a restaurant back here, another bar. Oh wow, there's more back here. This is a big place. Well, these are conference rooms or what? But yeah, different halls and stuff. So enormous Hilton here, as to be expected. Let's see what this thing up on my left is. Oh, so this, I think I know what this is. See these? Look below, there's an advertisement up top. But those are power banks. So if your phone goes dead, you scan your Pay app and you rent a power bank to charge your phone. And that's wildly common. You see them at every little corner, and you can charge your phone, whatever. Because I guess if you think about it, if every payment system is by your phone, you got to be able to charge your phone. So yeah, everyone uses their smartphone all day, every day. So pay banks are all over the place for your power banks. All right, check on Amy again. We'll show you the room next. All right, so the higher floor wasn't available because we're checking in early, but we're gonna see what this executive suite or whatever it looks like. Amy's leading us down the hall, and yeah, pretty exciting. Hilton always does it nice, so I'm pretty excited about this. Amy, what room number are we? 502. Hope the numbers are going down. They seem to be. All right, we're almost here. Very good at the anticipation to the room tour. You're gonna see it as we do. First shot. All right, you ready for this? The honeymoon suite. Uh-oh. I hope it's 502.
Well, let me in.
Oh, maybe. The old switcheroo. Didn't know if we would make it. All right. I'm gonna set our luggage inside. I'm gonna grab yours. Should have carried you over the threshold.
This is cool.
All right, check it out, folks. The room with a view. Oh, we should have maybe got the higher view.
I think so.
I can't see much.
We can't see the ocean really.
It's over on the right.
That's cool.
So let's see if we can go outside. Is there a sliding something here? Let's see if we can you figure out how to open this? I'm gonna back up and see if you are smarter than I am. That's a big door. Oh, that's a big door.
Nice.
Fancy pants.
Nice.
First, let's check out the balcony.
Okay.
Do not climb on wall. Whoop. So this is kind of the bay.
Is that a golf thing out there? There's just golf green in the middle of the...
I think they're planting.
No, look at that golf.
Oh, there is. There's a floating golf driving range there, I guess. Wild. Train in China. I think the view is going to be cool. Saw this from inside, so let's keep that air conditioning in and see what we got for the room. A little meeting table. Cool, we'll mess this up in no time. Looks like it's got the HDMI and everything. Different power than I'm used to, of course. TV. Room smells okay. Nothing too bad. Nice room.
You have a big closet. You can move in here.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, is there lights here? I never know how to use the spotlight. Cloakroom. Minibar, do you have to put any keys in the door? It's in there. Try another one. All right, so there's that. You can see the keys and the bathroom. The master bath. They always give you some water. Whoops. I'm fighting it. They always give you some waters because you're not supposed to drink the water here as far as I know. And I like they have, every place we go, there's toothbrush included, shaver, slicked back hair Blow up vanity kit. Little bathroom. Tub. Not the biggest room, but I think still fine. Nice. Very happy. Very thankful. Is this bidet? We got bidet! Oh man, my Tishy's gonna be so happy.
Cute, and get the waterfall shower.
Waterfall shower. I love it. Thank you for booking this. You are so amazing.
I wish it was on a higher floor, but you know.
All right.
Kind of really take a nap, so we won't see it. That's a pretty cool view.
Oh, you want to take a nap instead of trying to get the higher floor? I'm with you. All right. Something to look up on. Nice. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the executive lounge. This is on the 15th floor. You see a little bit better view here. Should I switch my rooms to a higher view? What do you think? It does look better from a high view. Pretty cool though, right? There's our little driving range. See the other rooms? Yeah, we're literally on like the ground floor there. So let's see. Amy's low crawling for some reason. Amy, you on the ground? See what they have? They have Cola Light, that Diet Coke. Isn't that right? And they got a can of Watsons. Can you show off the Watsons? All right, she's working hard. It's included. Then over here they have some. Oh yeah, show off the Watsons. Is this ginger ale? Shoot, I'm gonna get a Watsons. I gotta try a Watsons. Kiwi fruit, peanuts, raisins, pumpkin seeds, and your various snacks. Very nice. All right, I cannot wait to try Watsons. Oop, this way. It's a pretty view for a table, though. Cracking into a big can of Watson's ginger ale. All right, so we're gonna try to find something to eat. I think this is a bit much. This is more than we need. Look at the steaks down here on the main floor. I don't even think this restaurant's open yet.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for this. We just got off the elevator and it was like, bam.
Bam, elevator steaks. This isn't the floor that we were supposed to be on.
Oh, we just got off.
We just got off on the wrong floor. We got off on the steak floor, apparently. So that's pretty cool. We'll probably have to go to the lobby up those stairs. Maybe we'll just walk the stairs, but let's see what's down here first.
Next to the meat said it was historically aged beef.
Historically aged.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means, but that's dated. Sounds kind of dated to me. Oh, look at these glasses. These are things that Amy would like, right?
Ooh, I love tea sets.
You love a good tea set. Hey, if you're looking for tea sets, you're in the right China. Let's look at the pool. We're just exploring, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So the pool itself looks dope. Not too hot out today. It's been hotter.
It is. We're closer to the coast. We got a little breeze.
The plants so far are completely everything we see in Florida. It's exactly Florida plants.
I really think we are like at the exact same, like what is it, latitudinal line?
Yeah.
Like
Lat,
just-
fat, long, dong, I think is how it goes.
Yeah.
Lat,
It took me
fat,
a
long,
second,
dong.
like, I froze up. I didn't want to get it wrong and have all of YouTube correct me. But I think we're like exactly the same, just on the like complete opposite of the globe right now.
Okay.
Along
Whoa,
the same-
okay.
Yeah, we've got these in our yard.
Yeah, no, we have all these plants.
Yeah.
It's very similar. All right, so you can see. Do you think you're supposed to go out there and it's a putting range or it's a driving range and you go for? I think you drive from over there.
Oh man, that is cool.
I think that's a driving range.
Yeah, driving range and you get it on the,
So I think
The
you
green
drive
over there.
from over here,
and then they take you in a boat
and then
to putt.
you think you actually putt, or is it just driving?
Maybe. How are
You
you
can do
gonna get
anything.
hole?
I guess it's hole in one only.
There's a flag. I mean, that's cool.
And then you've got kayak and jet ski rentals, so that's pretty cool too. We've seen a lot of people actually jump into the water from that little platform over there, which you wouldn't expect, right?
That is a fun way to play golf, though. If you drive and then take like a jet ski over to putt. Like that's fun.
Paddle boards. All right, so what do you think so far?
It's beautiful. I love seeing the water, the mountains.
So you've been in China for how long?
6 nights now?
6 nights.
Yeah. So we got 3 more.
Yeah. We need to find some fun meal, but we've done a lot of cool meals so far. We've done hot pot.
Yeah.
A lot of family style dining.
We
Done
had
KFC.
one incredible like gourmet meal that just blew my mind.
Yeah.
At some executive suite.
Oh yeah.
With a
They were trying to
view
woo
in
us.
in a private room that just like the food kept coming. I think it was a 41-course meal.
It literally was, like literally.
It like started with foie gras and like got fancier from there.
Yeah.
It was wild.
Let's show what this hotel looks like from the outside. Very Stark Tower looking, right?
Yeah.
That's the Stark Tower later on when they moved out of the city. You can go inside and see if we find anything else, or go out the front of the hotel.
Yeah, it should, I guess.
So we have a bit of a running gag that I keep saying that I want hot pockets, and they keep giving me
Hot pots.
hot pots. Honestly, I think I would rather have hot pockets at this point. What do you think?
You know what? I'm not a fan of either, but I'm all hot potted out. I cannot have another hot pot. I cannot possibly.
No more. All right, we're gonna go upstairs, find some more stuff to look at. Are you seeing this? I didn't realize this. She's playing on water. That's water. I've never seen a piano player on water. So not only is it pretty, it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna give Amy the tour of the lobby. You guys don't have to stick around for this. Amy, I dig this the most.
Yeah?
It's an infinity parking lot.
It's a nice way to do it.
It's almost as if the parking lot never ends and never starts.
Just keeps going and going and going all the way out into the bay.
Infinity parking lot. All right, folks, that brings us to the end of this video. Go ahead and click like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Next up, we're going to Macau.